Greetings WordPress bloggers, welcome to another special Cyber Week deal from Envato Marketplace. I'm at Theme Forest and today let's take a look at Rehub, currently on sale right now for $29, 50% off. This is one of my top 3 most favorite WordPress theme of all time. This is one of the most beautiful and professional theme for price comparisons and review websites. And it has all of the features that you will ever need to design any kind of websites you want. Let's take a look at the demo and you can check it out and see for yourself. Links are down below. To really see the power of Rehub, you need to check out these awesome pre-built demos that you can easily import into your own WordPress with one click with all of the demo data included. Rehub includes magazine theme, review theme, learning course themes, and a whole lot more. Let me show you some of my favorites. While Rehub once again can build just about any kind of websites, my favorite is for comparison shopping and review sites. So here's an example, very professional looking deals and or review sites. You can see here all the features just like any of those professional multi-million-dollar deals and comparison sites. Rehub is just like them. You can see here, click to review the coupon, and it does the automatic open new tab or under tab, and also shows the coupon just like with the big deal sites. Has all the features, thumbs up, thumbs down, how many have seen this coupon, sliders. It's just so good looking. If you want to create a deal site, this is the best theme. I've looked at many other themes. Nothing else comes close to Rehub. Let's check out the next theme right here. Recache, also from a sub-theme of Rehub. It's very similar. It's for pricing, comparison, deals. Let's take a look at an example right here. So similar, but a little bit different. Has the social networking sharing buttons, view count, price, buy it now, or coupon. Really nice looking. And now for the price comparisons, let's take a look at this one to show you how that looks. So here's the price comparison between eBay and Best Buy. So these are hot right now as well. Price comparing, a win-win for everybody. You make affiliate commissions and your visitors are happy getting the best deals. So another great theme for price comparison, the best theme there is in my opinion. Very clean, has all the features you need. Currently on sale right now for 50% off, $30. This is the best deal you can get for Rehub, only during Cyber Monday. So get your hands on this while you still can. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe for more internet marketing deals. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.